Hello, hello! I just wanted to say thank you so much to anybody that was able to come to the Stanley Show last night. I opened for Sofronio Vasquez, and it was a stellar show. I had so much fun. You guys were amazing. The audience was fantastic. And I haven't played the Stanley since 2017, so it was about time. Sofronio and his whole band sounded excellent. The special guests, Shai and Sydney, were great, and it was a real treat to watch the whole event from side stage. I met so many cool people, and I hope to play the Stanley again sometime soon. But if anybody got sneaky videos of my set, please upload them. I know there were sticklers, but if you were a sneak, I want to see your videos. All right? Till next time.
Ang inyo pong napanood ay si Ryan Quinn na kung saan ay nakasama ni Sofronio dito sa kanyang concert sa Utica, New York. And this time around, sa vlog na ito is ating pag-uusapan naman ang mga naging reaksyon ng netizen dito sa katatapos lang na concert ni Sofronio. What a beautiful and successful show with Sofronio Vasquez and friends. Congratulations to the amazing production team. Major shout out to the phenomenal band. Thank you, Utica. I fell in love with the city these past couple of days. Utica, I hope the concert was as beautiful for you as your city and your people has been for us. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat, Sofronio. It was an honor to serve as your musical director. Itong post na ito ay ginawa po ito ni Troy Loretta, ang musical director ni Sofronio dito sa kanyang concert. And mga kapolitika, ang base rin po doon sa mga nagko-comment reaction ng mga netizen dito sa ating mga naunang videos ay sila ay happy rin dito sa naging outcome ng concert ni Sofronio. And meron rin po pala akong tinanong doon kung meron ba silang official videographer doon sa sa kanyang concert at negative po ang naging sagot. So basically ang naging lang doon, yung nakuha lang natin ng mga videos is doon lang sa mga audience mismo. Okay, kasi apparently is walang videographer or nag-cover noong concert ni Sofronio doon sa Stanley Theater. Pero mga kapolitika, maghihintay pa rin po tayo kasi baka merong hinire, kasi dapat mag-hire rin sila ng mga videographer para official yun ang i-release nila for the promotion. Okay? So yun mga kapolitika ang ating reaction. Narito naman po ang mga naging opinion at yung nag-comment doon ng mga netizen or mga supporters si Sofronio dito sa ating YouTube channel sa kanyang naging performance dito sa Stanley Theater sa Utica, New York. Kayo mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong masasabi dito sa concert ni Sofronio? Ano ang inyong mga suggestion, commendation dito sa kanyang live performance? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.